Come on, close moderation helps you. All right, come on, close. Okay. So where are we now? I think I have entered the position somewhere over here, and I'm doing AUD USD. Right now I'm in 2022. I think by the looks of it, I must close this trade because it's actually going downwards. My thought process was like, obviously, okay, this is the 4-hour chart, and USD. I don't know. Okay. I had added my MetaTrader into here. My account is a smaller account, like a demo account, and right now interesting thing is like no one is in there. Okay, there is a bit more I can actually cut down on the top. Single collection view, or maybe settings in here. Settings, video, appearance, output, general, stream, result. All right, I think it's better. I must close this trade, isn't it? I think no. Credit. I think I cannot do the transfer when I was actually in the trade. Right now, should I close this or just stay? Not sure, buddy. Sure. I don't think it is gonna come up because my thought was like it's gonna go up, but it didn't. Come on, guys. How much? Whether it's gonna go up from here now again. I was thinking of like, they're gonna be taking this area out, but probably it won't be happening tonight. So if this trade is gonna be loss, I'm gonna be taking the loss, and then I would call it the day, because by the looks of it, and my no, morning was actually fine. I was actually getting a bit of profit, and then it's all kind of like gone backwards. But what would be the macroeconomic data that people will be looking at? Whether are we not getting the interest rate cuts, or let me have a look. I think I should close this trade, because this is not going to be my trade. Or should I just wait for a little bit more? A little bit more? Maybe there's a chance it can reverse from here. I wanted to maybe do another buy from here if anyone wants to. Like, there might be a chance it can reverse from here, but I don't want to add on to the loss. That's my rule. But the reason is, like, the 50 EMA of 30 minutely is right in here. Or no, sorry, 200 EMA of 30 minutely is right in here. It's actually sitting there, and if it's actually giving that support, then there is this chance it can go up. But for me, I'm already in loss. I won't be adding on to my losing trades. That's my rule. And let me see. Oh, come on. So there is no one to chat to. Hopefully someone will come at some stage doing Australian. I don't know whether am I the only one doing the Australian dollar US dollar. Is anyone else doing the Australian dollar US dollar? I'm not sure, but it's kind of like boring, when you look at the screen and there's no one there. But it's interesting. One day there would be someone, and yeah. So whether it's going to be going up, my thinking is the liquidity in here. So should actually take that liquidity, isn't it? Because there should be, like, but it is only Monday. That's another thing. So it may give a bit of room for the other days, like the coming days, to mature this trade, to build up the liquidity, and then probably who knows, maybe I'm biased. That's another thing. Like, sorry, like I know. Come on. I think I'll get stopped out shortly by the looks of it. Yeah. So not much room to go. I haven't actually moved my my stop loss is not right here. My stop loss is exactly how many points now? My stop loss is 11 points actually. So 10, 11. I think I'll get stopped out now. Didn't I enter there? Where did I exactly enter? I entered at 6, 5, 11, 11, 11. Okay, so that makes, I think, yeah, I entered somewhere here. Yeah. Okay. Ended there, and that makes my stop loss, sorry, 11. Okay, I would say like so. If it moves down to that level, I'm gonna be stopped out, and I will happily take that loss. I wouldn't say like happily, but still, that's the rule. So I had to stick to the rule. There's no change in that. That's the only thing, you know. Yeah, it is. Can come another day. That's basically what it is. Would it go up like that? So if it goes up, like, you know, it will cover all my losses for the day. That would be great. But whether it's going to do that much of a move tonight, I don't think, because like there's not much of a kind of you know, there. But if it does that move up from here, I'll be getting around 22 pips, so I would be around $150. So if it does that move, and hopefully, let's see. Come on. Oh, yo. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. All right, so it's nearly that time. Come on. 5 4 6 5 4 6 5.
Your journey might be tough, but most rewards come to those who don't give up. It's hard. The key to journey might be tough, but most rewards come to those who don't. It's hard. Key to success is not just talent.
So where are we now? Yeah, there's a green candle coming up. So hopefully it's gonna be our savior candle. So what is actually happening in the? So let's have a look at 15-minutely. Yeah, so there's 15 minutes giving us a bit of hope. Oh no, it's getting pushed down. Come on, let it go up. Yeah, it's staying there. So I'm thinking like there would be a chance, but actually the thing is when you look at like an hourly, uh, it's been pushed this far down, and so the chances are it's gonna go down. I mean, depends on, and it's time of the day. It's like that, and uh, is it going to take? My thinking was it's gonna go up a bit more, then it's gonna go down, and that was my thought process. And it's actually come down. The morning I could have like a slight amount of profit, but now it's um, let's see. Come on, I'm gonna get stopped out now. I think I don't know how much to go. Come on, guys. Is that it? Is that it for the day? Is that it for the day? Come on, come on. Yeah, it's pushing down, and especially like when what is this line? This line is basically, if you look at the weekly, I have drawn the weekly lines. So that is one of the weekly resistance, and this is another one. And so it's actually been pushed down from there, and an hourly. It's a big good candle, so it's going to be further down. So, so the chances that it's going to come down, yeah, it is huge. And once it's been done, I'll call it a day and do some journaling and go. That's it. All right. I'm just basically checking my social media. It shouldn't be like that, but it's just getting me a bit distracted from the trades that I'm doing. That's basically I find it this kind of like things bit interesting. I mean the trade. That's not the thing that I want to do, and then I have some. I mean I don't need to put alert on that one, so. Oh yeah. I think I'm almost up to getting stopped out.
Not this.
my trade is still open, I would be keeping open. I mean, like if it's going to be closing, it will get closed, so I kind of like set up the stop loss, and if it goes gonna do the run, then it's gonna be running up, so I'm gonna leave it open. Let's see what's gonna happen. So right now I'm sitting at lows of how much? Oh, yeah, $35 loss.